Hello, everybody. How are we all doing today? So, we are on the second part of the first module, that's SMB 1.2. And today we are going to go into the practicals of how we are going to build our free website using Google Sites. Right now, what you can see on my screen is the SM4B online course website. That's a dedicated website I built using Google Sites. I did everything here, the graphics, everything, right? And I built the site for free. And I'm going to show you how I got that done. All right. So I'm just going to scroll down so you can see everything here. You see the text, you can see the images, you can see the buttons. When you click, it takes you, you know, to another, it takes you here, say redirect, and then it now opens to the page where you buy the course at the early bird sales, So let's go back to this one. So I'm just trying to show you, I'm just showing you right now that um a Google site, you can have where to click and it takes you to an actual link. You input all of that yourself. It's just like designing something on Canva. Just put everything and then upload and publish. Click save and that's that, and it's live. And they give you a link and you share your link, and it looks very clean. You can see this on the laptop, like on your desktop screen. You can see everything here. It's really looking clean and clear, right? Now I'm going to show you how we're able to get this done. First and foremost, I'm going to go to our browser and type sites.google.com. That's what I'm going to type, sites.google.com. Can you see my screen now? If you look at my screen, you're seeing sites.google. That's the site, sites.google.com. You go there. You have to, of course, make sure that your Google account is logged into your browser, and if possible, use a Chrome browser. So it will tell you start a new site, and it has different templates. So let's take a look at what the templates look like. We have personal sites, but when you have personal, like family update, portfolio, you have work, which the work category has events, help center, project team. You can customize it to fit anything. We are going to choose the one under small business. Let's use the one for restaurants, okay? We're going to click on restaurants and use that one. Just so that I can show you how to use a template and build a website, and it comes out really nice and neat. So for example, this so it's just loading. If you can see, yeah. So you just go to this and click. I'm going to use my friend's website, Nomi's Cuisine, right? And then where you have a restaurant place, you can just, if you don't have a logo, you can just type the name of your business, Cuisine. Then just basically keep updating everything. Um, tasty, delicious meals rather. Deliciously nutritious. Nutritious. Okay. So you have a button for reservations. You click on it. It tells you you can edit the button, and it takes you to, let's say, now let me show you guys a trick. If you don't have any link for all of that, you can just use your WhatsApp. It's a simple thing. You click on WhatsApp, wa.me/, your international dialing code, and then I'm just going to type my own you know, details here, and you click on updates. What happens is that it takes you straight. When you click on that, it takes you straight to your WhatsApp. Anybody who clicks on that is able to chat with you directly on WhatsApp. Isn't that cool? Now you can update the images. Just come here, click on images, select any image you want to select, or upload any image you want to upload. In this case, it's taking me to yeah, it's taking me to my own images. Or you can go to Google Images, select images from Google and say food food photos, because we're talking about a restaurant. So you can insert your food photos that you want to insert. I'm craving this burger right now, so that's what I'm going to use. So you have your images, you can now put it once it's right here. I want to use it to add this image to this. So you see how easy it is to just move content, right? And it's just easy to move. Then you can now add a caption, or if you don't want to add a caption, you delete it. Okay. You can say unique control all. So unique baby short nails that give you a taste of home with every single bite. Okay, so you keep updating, right? So if there's some sections you don't like, you can always just delete them. You can easily edit your footer right here. Just put your phone number, address, number one, best street. Of course, that's not my address. Phone number. Always ensure you put your international dialing code when you're putting your phone number, because you never can tell who is reaching out to you from there. You want to make it easy for the person to reach out to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's your phone number. Then your email. Email at gmail.com. You see how easy this is? And you can change. Remember, we haven't published yet. You can change the themes. You can choose, this is the theme that we have chosen. You can change the color. So all of these colors will change. You can use a different theme, and you see that. So I'm just going to maintain the theme we have here, and select the color that we want to use. So you can literally use any color right here. And you can change the font style as well. Let's have 3 different font styles. This is the light, this is the heavy, and this is the classic. So we maintain the classic. And you can have several pages. So for example, you can see have home, contact us, chef, menu. Up here you can see you have the contact us, chef, and menu on the top right corner. So if you don't want to, if you're not ready to populate all this, you don't want to fill in all this content, what you can quickly just do is to hide from navigation. And when you're ready, you would fill the information, then you update it to match what you have for your business. And then you later, make it possible for people to see. You check now, it's no longer there. And then when you go to your settings, what I like about the settings is you can add your logo up here. You can add your favicon, which is that small corner, that small logo in the corner of your web. When you're browsing, you just see the logo of the website you're going to. You have your navigation, you have your brand images, you have your viewer tools. You also have the custom domains, but we'll talk about that later, because you have to pay to have a custom domain. But like I said, we will discuss that later, because you don't need a custom domain to package a great website, especially because you're just starting out. If you're just starting out in business, you don't need that right now. Then analytics, you can enable your analytics if you have Google Analytics tracking, which we'll talk about later in the course of this in this SM4B course. Then if you want an announcement banner, let's say latest, let's talk about latest updates, latest meals, any meal of menu of the day, meal of the day, you can announce it there. Let's say meal of the day of the day Meal of the day, afang soup and eba. Those of us Nigerians, we know what we're talking about. Then you add your bottom label. Afang soup and eba, right? You add your bottom label. Order now. And like I said, remember you also need to learn how to add your WhatsApp direct WhatsApp link, which is just like this: 234 123 and then set it to click open in a new tab, and people can see it on all pages. And then you do what? Quickly, and you see it now. It's you have your announcement, and you can click on publish if you want to click on publish. Now you see the web address. You see how the web address is looking. Anybody can view your site. You can set that up. Please don't click on this so that search engines can display your site. Click on publish. It will give you the link. Now, what you can quickly do is that you can take the link and go and shorten in Bitly. You can take the link. This is where you pick up the link. Copy publish site link. You can take this link and shorten it on Bitly. How do we do that? How do we do that? Let's see. Let's see how to do that. Okay, very quickly. My Bitly is opening right now, so I can switch my tab and show you guys the Bitly, bitly.com. So go to bit.ly, bit.ly. Okay, so as I was saying, you can hide your pages here and then click on publish, right? But if I click on publish, let me just quickly show you what it looks like on your, this is the view on your laptop, this is the view on your tablet, and this is what it looks like on your phone. Okay, now that we've seen that, we've exited the preview. Another thing, I know the header looks kind of, you can see this one is a title only. You also have a cover with an image. You also have a large banner option or a banner option. So let's do the cover and select an image. Let's just go to Google Images, type food. I need an image that will let us see the text very well. So you can see that there is no end to the options you can find here. You just need to take your time to, well, I like this one with the person, but of course I'm going to change it because this is not my friend's. We're just using this for teaching purposes. So you see that, reservations and all of that, and then you click on what? Click on publish. Got it. It's going to show you the draft and then currently published. So you see, it's going to show you the difference. This is what you already currently have. This is what was on the draft. So what you have on the draft is what you want to be currently published. So you click on publish. So it's publishing. Don't mind me, my network is very strong right now. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. You can use your Google Sites. So if you are beautiful, site was just published. Return to editor. Copy publish site link. Copy the link from right here. I paste the link on my browser. And it's loading, and there you have it. That is a clean website done by, of course, you can add more content, right? I just wanted to show you that you can actually get this done. Okay, so now that you have this, what are you going to create? Let me know in the comments below what kind of website are you going to create? How are you going to get it done? And share if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, share them in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. See you. Ciao.